Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share exactly how I made $500 online in just 30 days. Obviously I share my skills in the video and tell you how I achieved them, so stay tuned. I will be at the intro video. So without any further delay, let's dive right in after the intro. Before I started, I had no idea what to do. I don't have any technical skills or big investment. All I had was my laptop, internet connection, and a strong desire to earn something online. So I started researching on YouTube and Google. I started by watching free YouTube tutorials about freelancing and content creation. Then I found a website called Freelancer, where people post jobs and hire freelancers to get work done. I created my profile on there and I bidding on those jobs that match my skills and started getting small orders within 2 weeks. At first I earned only $10 per day, but as I completed more projects, my income quickly increased. By the end of the 30 days, I had made $500 working just 5 to 6 hours a day. I completed my web design course with the help of YouTube and Google, which took me almost 6 months. Because I could dedicate little time for my studies, it took longer. Almost I spent little time. I remained consistent. I'm working as a web designer on this freelancing platform. If you are interested in learning how I completed my web design course for free using YouTube and Google, let me know in the comment box. I will try to share details and step-by-step guide in another video. If you are starting out, here are their tips. First, I want to say don't wait for the perfect time. Start right now. Secondly, I will tell you focus on one skill and get good at it. And finally, I will advise you be consistent even if you fail a few times. That's how I made $500 online in 30 days. In the next video, I'll share how to create freelancer account in the freelancer.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I have many more ideas coming that can help you make money online too. Thank you and welcome back to my channel for get more information and helpful video. See you later. Stay together and be careful.